Hello friends, today we're going to design a PowerPoint slide like this. So the first thing we're going to insert the rectangle, but you're gonna choose this one, which is have the round corner. Okay, and then you have to drag this yellow line so that the round corner is gonna be show up. And then just hold the control key and move your mouse. You're gonna have another copy like that. So we have to copy these 4 elements or 4 shapes to make like this. You can resize it by hold the control key on your keyboard and drag the mouse, and then the both sides is gonna be resized at the same length. Okay, then we're going to select all these elements and copy it and place it next to each other. So I'm going to do it 3 times. And for the the last one, we're going to copy the shortest one. Now we have the 3 patterns like this. Click all the elements by Ctrl A, and we can move all of the elements at the same time. Then we're going to remove the outline if it exists. So now the shape doesn't have the outline. Then we're going to grouping these elements. You can press the Ctrl A and then Ctrl G to group all the elements. So go to choose your picture that you want to place inside this shape. And I have another picture, so I'm going to copy that. Just copy Ctrl C or copy into your clipboard. And then we right click on this group of shape, choose the format shape. Then the field option, we're going to choose picture or texture field. Because I have the picture in my clipboard, so that's why it's automatically pastes into the shape. Or you can go to insert button here to find your existing file in your local machine. Okay, so now we can resize it, and we're going to make the shadow a little bit. Just going to choose this top shadow, and you can change the blur and the transparency as well. After then, I'm happy with this result, and then we're going to fill on the background. Okay, I'm going to fill the solid background like this. It looks nice, and I'm going to insert another text box to place the text in the middle of this design. Put the alignment in the center and change the color to the white. And we can change the font style as well. For this text, I want the character have the space in between. So I'm going to choose this option to change the loosen. It seems that the font is out of the boundary, so I'm going to resize this image to fit with this font. And then I'm going to put some shadow on this font. So we can go to the format shape and change some property in there. And now we have done. This template costs a short time to design, but makes slide more eye-catching and engaging. You can download using the link in the description. If you love this kind of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and resources. See you in the next video.